We can change the appearance of the text, and this includes making it boldface, italic, or underline. And now I have this text that's showing up. So how do I actually make the text underline? I'm going to use the /underline command. And when I do that and hit recompile, you can see that the corresponding part of this PDF document is now underlined where it wasn't before. To make text italic, the command is /textit. Notice I have the slash, the command, and then curly braces. So in LaTeX, the basic symbol for this is /command left curly brace, and whatever the input to the command is, and right curly brace. It's almost like function notation. In fact, it is a type of function notation. It's just instead of that we're using a function, we're going to put a slash in front, and instead of using parentheses, we're going to use curly braces. So if I hit recompile, I see that /textit has made my text italic. One thing that's helpful sometimes is I can change the size of the output, which makes it more visible. So if there's a part that I especially want to zoom in on, I can scroll to it. You see here I have the output set to 313%, which is making this a lot bigger than it would appear on the PDF file when it's compiled, but it helps me see what's going on. Finally, to make text bold, we use the /textbf command. And again, I need to put the text that I want to be bold inside the curly braces. Hit recompile, and I get the result that I want to make that sentence be bold text. Okay, so just like any other...
Okay, so the question, how do you combine bold and underline? You can stack commands. If you just take text that bold or underline anyway, and then you put the other command around it, that will work. Really important today. And I wanted to make my name bold and underlined. Then I could take this text left curly brace, Andrew Penland right curly brace that I already had, and onto this text inside of a /underline left curly brace, right curly brace. And these two things together should combine the... So you can stack multiple formatting. And then I'm just going to do a reality check that that works the way I expect it to. How you get a backslash into the document. You can do a backslash in the document, because if you do a backslash by itself, it's going to expect that you're trying to do a command. So how do I get a backslash into the document? You can do that by saying /backslash. Here is how I do a backslash in the document without creating then. It's going to be /backslash. Nope. Does that work? Let's see. Does it work? So you'll notice something here. It actually gave me a slash command, but it also gave me something I didn't want, is now it's mad at me. So anytime you see a red number up here, that means LaTeX is trying to point out something you did it did not like. And it was nice. It tried to fix it for me. And because it was able to understand what I meant, it still gave me the desired effect, but it is giving me this error. So because backslash, for certain special symbols, you put them inside $signs. So because backslash is a special type of command here that I'm calling, if I want it to not be mad at, put the text inside $sign.
$signs for inline math mode. The text is inside $signs. LaTeX interprets it as being a special math symbol. For instance, if I want pi and I just type pi, well, it does something. It just literally gives what I put out, which is pi. But what I probably want is the math symbol of the Greek letter pi. If I'm looking for a math symbol, I'm going to have $, and then since it's a command, it'll be slash. These $signs tell me that this is inline math mode. And then pi is actually a special command, so because it's a special command, it will have a slash underneath it. And if I look at this block of LaTeX code after I recompile, it will correspond to the Greek letter pi like I would have expected. So this $/pi$ produces this output.